Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Replit for Python coding in 2025. Replit has revolutionized the coding experience with its built-in AI assistant that can actually write code for you. Let's dive in. First, head over to Replit and sign into your account. From your dashboard, click Create and select Python as your programming language. Once your workspace loads, you'll notice the code editor in the center panel and the console on the right side where your program's output will display. Here's where it gets interesting. Instead of coding everything manually, you can leverage the AI assistant. Simply click the Ask AI button or type directly into the AI prompt bar that says, Tell AI what to do. For instance, try typing, Create a Python program that checks if a number is even or odd. Watch as the AI instantly generates the complete code in your editor. You're free to customize it or add your own logic as needed. When you're ready to test it, just hit the green Run button at the top and your results will appear immediately in the console. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to code Python effortlessly using Replit's AI features in 2025. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.